Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to be navigating through BrainPop, which is a very useful website to use when trying to learn or research a new concept. So, first things first, we are going to make sure that we have an account and we are logged in. Next, you will see all of these different units. We can click on Social Studies, and it will have subunits. Now, luckily for us, for our PBL unit, they do have a historical figure tab, and they will have all of the historical figures listed in alphabetical order by their first name. So, for the sake of this tutorial, let's go with Abraham Lincoln. Now, first things first, you're going to see all of the different activities you could choose to do to get your research, or you can even make your written portion of your PBL unit assignment using a flow chart, or right here it's make a map. This is only if you choose to do so. Now you can either use a template or create a new one. I'm just going to use a template. You will hit start. Next, they have all of these different templates that you can choose from. I am going to choose the spider map. And then if you want to add writing, you can go over here to the left, and they have two different text box shapes. I will click this rectangle one. You just grab it and you move it over, and then you can just type anything you want. Now if you want to add a picture of your figure, you can just click in. You go over to images, you click one, and then you can make it as big or as small as you would like. So that is how you would make a map. Now we are going to look at the quiz. Usually the quiz will be based off of the movie, and the movie is very short. They are only a few minutes. So this one is just less than 6 minutes. And then you can go take the quiz next. This is very useful in getting information, and you can either choose to review or have your quiz be graded. So we're going to go with review. And let's say I get this question wrong. It'll have a slash through it, and it'll immediately tell you if you're correct or not. Next, we will be scrolling down. You can even go to related readings. Now, these are just full of facts and trivia about that figure. They're very short readings. You can click the different tabs on top. So quirky stuff, just some interesting facts. There's always quotes for the historical figures. And there's always a funny comic at the end. So next, you can even make your own vocabulary flashcards if this is something that you wanted to do. You could even print them off and draw pictures on them. They already give you some words that they covered in their quiz and movie, but you can add new ones if you wish. You will just click it, and it will have you write a definition and a sentence to go with it. They have a few other options. Some of them are a little bit more confusing. The ones that I had went over are very helpful with research. Now let's go back to the home page. Let's say you wanted to choose a famous author for your historical figure. You will go to English, and they have a famous authors and books subunit. Same with a famous scientist. Now they had a few famous scientists on the historical figure subunit tab, but they have more options here. You can just click on famous scientists, and again, they are in alphabetical order by their first name. And that is about it. Very easy to navigate, not confusing at all, and it's a very useful tool for your PBL unit projects.